Huawei is coming for your smartphone, and it's making its own smart speaker right after Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Home. Huawei's version, however, is called the AI Cube, and you can probably guess what it looks like. Oh wait, no, that's the Google Home. Oh no, it's the Huawei AI Cube. This is an Alexa-powered smart speaker with some Huawei finessing. It's supposed to provide better sound. It's also a 4G router, so you can stick a SIM card in here and get internet connection wherever you go. It's got some interesting features, but we haven't been able to fully test all of them out, but here's a quick preview. Alexa, what's up, babe?
I'm not sure.
That reaction time, in my opinion, was a little bit slow. It's very much slower than what I'm used to on my Echo 2nd Gen at home. But let's see, maybe if it's a Wi-Fi issue here. But let's see what else Alexa can do on the AI Cube.
I didn't catch that.
There is a mute button at the top, so I can say, Alexa, all I want. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 69 degrees and a low of 56 degrees.
A high of 69 degrees, that sounds about right. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why was the airplane flight so stinky? There was a strong tailwind.
But anyway, it looks like the Alexa that you know and are familiar with is more or less here in the Huawei AI Cube. However, the company did say it somehow worked to add additional AI features into the speaker here. They're not giving us more details at the moment and may announce more at its press event here at IFA 2018. What sets the Huawei AI Cube apart from the other Alexa speakers in the market? Well, first of all, according to the company, it's got a 400 milliliter body here to provide some a sound cavity that should make for a better audio experience. Here, the demo, obviously, it did sound relatively loud. It was actually loud enough to hear over a lot of the people in this demo area, but I can't vouch for its sound quality just yet. It's also almost an exact replica of the Google Home, except for it's taller, which hopefully gives it more room to have a rounder sound as well. I mean, after all, it is a speaker. We're expecting to play music on it.
Alexa, sing a song.
Technology. Without the Wi-Fi, I couldn't say hi. As for music, I couldn't choose it.
There's also an aluminum diaphragm here, which Huawei added somehow to improve the audio quality. I'm not really sure how that works just yet, but we'll check it out and see. There's also this round design that should let you hear the sound in the same quality, even if you walk around the speaker, for what we've come to know as Omnidirectional Sound. Huawei didn't use those exact words, but alluded to it in its presentation here at IFA. Huawei also enhanced the AI Cube with what it's calling the Huawei Hisense. Looks like the word listen, except with an H in front. And it somehow respects the original timbre of the music. I really have no idea what it means, and the company again did not elaborate.
Technology.
We'll just have to stay tuned to see how that actually works in the real world. But the AI Cube is not just a speaker, it's also a 4G router. So you can stick a SIM card in it and get up to 300 megabits per second-ish speeds wherever you go. Of course, you have to pay the roaming data fees from your service provider to get that. But it's nice, you can also hook up other devices from it and control things like your smart light bulbs or your thermostat, thanks to both Alexa and the internet connection. Unfortunately, for those of you US viewers who are already intrigued by this thing doesn't seem like it's coming to the US anytime soon. However, it is launching first in Europe for an undisclosed price around Christmas time. Huawei said it will only really reveal the retail price of that when it goes on sale, so we'll probably have to wait till December to find out more. Until then, stay tuned to Engadget for all of the news out of IFA 2018.